Hey everyone, it's Tracy. Welcome back. Today I am sharing 2 DIY Easter egg projects with you using some speckled eggs. The first one, I am filling a thrift store mason jar and making that a cute decor item. The second one, I'm going to show you how I painted some faux eggs and speckled them myself to use as a decor item. So let me show you how I did it. First up is this thrift store mason jar that I put together. These are the supplies that I'm using: some raffia, a thrift store jar, speckled eggs, fabric, and a grungy tag. Now this jar I did pick up from the thrift store. I think it was Goodwill, and it was only like a couple bucks, so I knew that I would be doing something like this. These speckled eggs came from Michael's, and I just filled the entire jar with the 2 little packages of the eggs. Next, I am going to work on a tag for my jar. So I have this little grungy tag. It is a tea stain tag, kind of primitive country, my kind of look, decor. And I am just handwriting the tag using some markers. And then I'm going to shade and doodle it up. Just love doing this for my little projects. These little fabric strips really can make your project look so super cute. I just tore strips of fabric and just layering everything on together. If you want more specifics, please leave me a comment below because I will be happy to answer any questions that you may have. Now, the fabric is limp, so I went ahead and sprayed it with some Aleene's Stiffen Quick. The second project I'm sharing is painting some styrofoam eggs that I picked up from a local dollar store. And these are the paints that I'm going to be using. I will have all of the color names in the description below. And so what I've done is they are styrofoam, and I just put a toothpick in the bottom of the styrofoam, and then that gave me the handle so I could go ahead and paint them. And so I'm just sticking them in this little styrofoam block that I got from the Dollar Tree. I needed something for them to set in, and so this is perfect. Now those pink eggs, I did paint it one color, or paint them one color, but then they were a little too bright compared to my other colors, so I picked a different pink to paint these eggs because I like the little softness of the pink. To obtain the speckled effect, I watered down some black paint get it really, really thin, and then I just have a stiff brush and just taking a little wooden stick and just flicking it on the eggs. That gives a speckled technique. This is my sealer of choice. It is a glossy varnish by Delta. I do have a link in the description below to my Amazon store if you would like to have it shipped to you, or you can find it in the craft stores. I just brush it on and then just let it dry. It doesn't take too long at all. I just absolutely love the way that these little speckled eggs just came out, and they look great with my jute covered little Easter eggs that I found at a local dollar store. So I hope that you enjoyed these 2 projects using speckled eggs. Please give me a thumbs up, and I love to read your comments. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe because I love to share crafty ideas with a bit of country charm. Thank you all so much for watching, and God bless.